Did you know that much of the world's energy still comes from coal? Coal power alone accounts for 37% of global electricity production. No matter how you label it, coal remains the most polluting way to produce electricity. It's more important than ever to be part of the future of green energy. The path to a sustainable future starts with each of us by choosing clean, renewable energy solutions. But where traditional green solutions take up vast space in our precious natural landscapes, they often disrupt local ecosystems, affect wildlife habitats, and alter scenic views. Are you ready to take responsibility for the future? The VX175 turbine from Ventum Dynamics redefines efficient energy production. Designed to install on the edge of commercial buildings, our turbines operate without taking up any ground space at all. It's more than just a green investment. It's a smart choice in energy production that brings sustainable power closer to where it's needed most, right in the heart of urban environments. Are you ready to be part of the energy transformation? Join our journey and follow us for future updates.